Hello, how are you all doing today? Thank you for joining me. Before we start, I'd just like to say this is a sponsored video. This video is sponsored by Mr. Bandsaw Blades. They recently contacted me and asked me if I'd like to do a video showing the product in one of my videos. So they very kindly sent me a blade. They asked me what blade I'd like, and obviously I told them which size I wanted. They very kindly sent me one through the post. I'll just show you the blades there. They all come very nicely packaged with a cardboard back on them, coming in a nice bag, and inside the bag you get a free packet of Haribo sweets. You can't go wrong with that, really, can you? But the blade I ordered was a 2095mm length. It's a 1/2 inch blade times 0.25 times 4 tooth TPI skip breaker. So yeah, what I'll do now, I'll just tell you a bit about the company, and then I'll put this onto my machine and show you in action. I'm just going to read a bit off. Mr. Bandsaw is an online retailer of high performance carbon flexback and M42 bimetal bandsaw blades. Our blades are UK manufactured and are suitable for cutting wood, plastic, non-ferrous and ferrous metals. Although we are an online store, we still pride ourselves on the levels of customer service, quality of products and efficient delivery we offer to all our customers. After all, it's you, the customer, who is at the heart of their business. And I must say that from time of ordering, it takes a few days for the blade to arrive. Like I say, it comes very well packaged. Never had no problems with them. The blades are quality bandsaw Dakin Flathers blades. I've always used these blades. I find them exceptional quality. And another thing what Mr. Bandsaw do is, if you do buy the blades and obviously you're making things using the blades, they have got a Facebook page where you can go and upload your pictures to the Facebook page, and it puts them on their website of your work, what you're doing. But also on the back of the packet you get the anatomy of a bandsaw blade, which is all laid out there for you. So it tells you everything about TPI and blade width and gullets and things like that. But it's all laid out there on the back of the packet for you. So if you just like buy a blade and put it on and you don't know nothing about the blades, the information is there on the back of the packet for you. So I'm just going to unbox this now. I'm going to put it on my machine and get it all set up ready, and then yeah, what I'm going to do, I've got this small piece of, it's either mahogany or kerowing. I'm not 100% sure, but I think it's kerowing. If people know the woods, they'll know that this contains a lot of silica and it's hard on your blades. So all I'm going to do is going to do a cut across the grain and a cut with the grain 1 or 2 times to show you what it cuts like on the machine. So I'm just going to set the blade up on the machine now, get it so it's all true, running true on the machine, and then I'll show you it cutting. Right, I've set the blade up on the machine now, got it all running true, and all I'm going to do now is just going to show you a rip cut and a cross cut on this piece of kerowing. And I think I've got another smallish piece of wood. I'm just going to show you on, after I cut the one with the silica in, I'm going to show you on a piece of pine, just to show you how sharp it'll still be on that other piece of wood. Right, as you can see, that's the rip cut. What's just come off there. Beautiful and clean. Just get you in shot there. And that's about 3¼ inches thick. Come off there nice and clean. I'm just going to do a cross cut now. Right, there's the piece I've just cross cut. You can see there you've got minimal tear out on the bottom. And there's the 2 slices what I've just taken off. And you can see there you'd have to do very minimal sanding on them. You could use them straight away. You've got no saw marks in them. There's the cross cuts, and then that was the rip cut what I took off it. Very smooth, very clean cut. What I'm going to do now, I'm just going to do a piece of pine, and then you can see as it's cut exactly the same on the pine as it has on that kerrowing. We've just got this inch piece of pine. I'm just going to set the camera up again. So as you can see, there's the cross cut what I did, and there's the rip cut. Very clean. Beautiful. So as I said, this video was sponsored by Mr. Bandsaw. You can contact them through eBay or Amazon. If they've not got the blade side listed what you want, I'm sure if you contacted them that they could arrange to have the blade made. Like I said, delivery on them's a couple of days. Like I say, you've got that chart on the back there what goes through a few other things about bandsaw blades. I've never known anything to come packaged as well as that. But right, I'm going to go and edit this video now, and while I'm editing I'm going to enjoy my free packet of Haribos. So there you go, a free packet of Haribos with a bandsaw blade as well. What more could you ask for? Right, like I said, thank you to Mr. Bandsaw for sending me this blade and giving me the chance to tell people about it, and I'll see you again soon. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, give it a thumbs down. I'll leave all the links in the description down below to Mr. Bandsaw. I'll leave all my details. You can already go to About on my channel, and it'll put links to my Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. They're all down there. Press the bell in the corner, that'll give you an alert to next time I upload a video. and we'll see you again in a week's time. Thank you for joining. See you later.